Alright guys, Andrew Pooney back at Personal Pit Stop Express. You know what time it is. Our car wash, Pokemon Rip of the Week, where we rip until we hit. We're looking for an EX card or better. Let's get into it.
Rip it!
Nothing on the first pack, so we keep ripping. Nothing on the second pack, so we keep ripping. And we got the Clefairy Illustration Rare. Super cool card. Stay tuned for another Rip of the Week coming next week.